Welcome. My name is Max Hackman, and today we are going to do some basic searching using the Health Science Database. First thing we want to do is select the database link on the right-hand side of the page. This will bring us to an alphabetical listing of all the databases that we have access to. Select the H, and we'll scroll down here to the Health Source Consumer Edition database. Once we get in here, normally it would ask you to log in first, but I've already logged in. If you have any issues with that, please reach out to us and we can definitely help you right away. If you've ever used an EBSCOhost database before, it works relatively the same. So you have all the advanced search features on the front. If you just want to jump right into it, we can start at the top here. As you start typing in this search box, you'll see a number of different suggestions that pop up. Definitely look those over, make sure you're spelling things correctly. If you're having any troubles searching, definitely try to use one of those suggestions that they offer you. Once you do a search, you'll see here that we have over 8,000 results. The limiters are all over here on the left hand side. If you want to save this, actually if you want to share it, sorry, you can come over here, and this is a permalink that'll direct you back to this search that you've already started. So if you're sharing it with a group, that's a great way to kind of show where you started. If you'd like to limit it more over here, you can select these. So let's select the scholarly peer-reviewed journals, and that brings us to 690, so that narrows it down quite a bit. Let's go ahead and select one of these articles and see what it looks like inside of here. So you can see we're going to get the detailed record information. It's going to give us the author, the source, kind of the background. This abstract is very helpful, especially for the longer articles. It's a summary. If you come up here and you see this 4P, whatever the P is how many pages it is. So 4 pages isn't too bad. You can usually read that pretty quickly. Over here on the right hand side, you can save it directly to your Google Drive. You can print it, you can email it. You can also get the citation right here. It's going to pop up a number of different options for you, so make sure you're grabbing whichever one you need. You have a lot of different choices with EBSCOhost, but just make sure you're being consistent with what you're grabbing. Do remember that these are machine generated, so if something looks off, double check it. You can always ask us, the librarians, or the Writing Center for help with that as well. And then you also have the ability to grab a permalink. So if you want to come directly back to this article, you can always use this permalink to do that for you. So once you want to actually read the article, if you just select the PDF, it'll take you directly there. If you have any questions or concerns or problems with this, please reach out to us, chat, email, or during our business hours. You can always call us as well, and we are here to help. Thank you.